welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Theresa. I'm a content creator based right here in Ilorin, Kwara State, Nigeria. And happy Easter, because today is Easter Sunday. And I'm here live and direct at the University of Ilorin Zoological Garden, located in Ilorin, Kwara State. Okay, so right now I'm on the canopy walkway. And guys, it's fun, it's exciting, but at the same time it's stressful. So I've been here before, but I'm here with someone that you still get to see in this video. He's a Kenyan YouTuber, so please make sure you check out his channel after watching this video. So after this, I'll take you guys around the zoo and the animals you can find here, obviously. So if you are new here, make sure to subscribe before you go, and don't forget to turn on post notification. It's very important, okay? That will notify whenever I drop a new content here. Also, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share. Okay, so let's go.
Oh yeah.
Go.
Yeah, join me. Alpha.
So
That's how it happens. Huh?
yeah, that's how it happens. Should we check the zoo first before the walkway? Or?
Yeah. Let's do
Okay.
the zoo first. So the walkway is that way.
This is the way to the walkway.
So were you given the coins to insert when you're going to the walkway? Or you don't need to insert?
Yeah, as instructed them. When we are coming, we just go there.
Okay. So this is the path leading to the zoo. Oh my god. At least I've seen some the phobia for heights now. I really have to fight this phobia.
You have phobia for height.
Yeah?
You have phobia for height. You can start coming. I hope your viewers know you are scared of heights.
We can do this now.
Of course, it's not hard. It's fun.
Let me not imagine of the worst.
Nothing can happen, don't worry.
Yeah?
Nothing can happen. You know the funniest part is that in video this thing looks easy.
But we can't go that way. That's point, right?
No, this way.
So why did you have fears of coming up?
So are you still scared of heights? So guys, before the other video, I've gone through two of this place. So this is the last point till I get down. So I'm just showing you guys around from up how the zoo looks like, although this is not everywhere. So that's the person we came together. That is Savik TV. Savik is just coming now, so please make sure you subscribe to his channel. It's very important, and don't forget to turn on post notification. That is important too. And don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share both this video and his video. Okay.
I'm shaking.
You are not shaking now. You that you say you are scared of heights.
Never done this, man.
You don't look like someone that is scared of heights to me.
Just wanted to record a short video.
It's important.
Oh my god. Don't laugh now.
Oh, how should I cry? Sorry.
Oh my. 2 laps are done. One more lap to go, man. Check that end. One more lap
Yeah,
to go,
this is final laps.
Woo. Yeah.
So guys, I just finished the final laps. This is not hard because this is my first time, okay? This is my first time actually, so I'm waiting for Savik. Savik is just about to leave the final lap, so I'll show you guys the place, but this is where we are going to now. Here is where we are going to. That will take us down to the zoo. That is the final lap. That is Savik coming.
And I bet you can't have such a view when you get down there. So you can now start. This is really a good Easter experience. It's an experience I needed for Easter. We can call it the Easter exclusive as the topic.
Okay.
The Ilorin Easter exclusive.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So guys, we just came down from the walkway. So I'm showing you guys around the zoo now. I just hope there's something different because I've been here before, like not once, not twice. But let's see if there'll be anything different this time around, like maybe more animals or something. Let's check it out.